Thanks for coming back. Part 3 of our writing notebooks on feelings. Well on our way to becoming empathy champions. So let's take a look at what this sheet involves. Okay, this is your deep dive journal sheet on how do you feel in different places. Kind of an interesting thing to think about. So when you're going to fill this out, you are going to think about how you feel in these different places. Now, you could do this a few different ways. I would start by drawing something involved with school. Something you like, something you dislike. Something like, think about how you feel in school. When I go to school, I feel excited. Okay, and why do I feel excited? Well, I know for me, I really like to read books. So I'm gonna draw a book right here, okay? And then I'm going to say, because of this book, now I've drawn a book because that's, something that makes me happy. So, if I draw a little face here, a little smiley face, and reading the book, okay? So I could write in school, I feel excited. I'm going to end it with an exclamation point because that's how excited I am about it. Okay? So we have here a way to interact with this notebook and talk about different places and how we feel. And the way I would do it is I would draw something that makes you feel how you feel. You could also draw your expression. You could also draw the whole school itself or your whole home, whatever it may be. So if you do this sheet and you kind of get tired of it, and you're like, all right, well, I want to think about other places and how I feel there. There is a blank sheet. So you can fill this out yourself, and you could say, how do you feel in different places? And you could put how you feel in the car. How do you feel at the car? Or how do you feel at the store? All right, you can put whatever you want. Once you've mastered this, you can move on to the next sheet and become one step closer to Empathy Champion. So go do that, and I will meet you there. Welcome back. We are well on our way to becoming Empathy Champions. Let's continue to get our emblem towards writing about our feelings so we can continue becoming champions. Let's take a look at the next notebook page, shall we? Where and when do you feel certain feelings? It's kind of like the last one, right? If you look at the last one, this gives you a few locations and you have to figure out how you feel at those places. Now, we're going to be looking at the emotions, and you have to determine or figure out where you feel those emotions. Okay? So, let's say, if we're filling out this first one, down or sad. Oh, why did I even put that there? Why do we want to think about that? Okay, let's think about places where we might be down or sad. There is a time, if I am going out to, a restaurant, I'm really hungry for dinner, okay, and you go up to the doors and you see that there are 2 doors that are happening there, right? And you see a big old sign on that door, and it says closed. A restaurant says closed, or store is closed, and I wanted to go there all day. Makes me feel so sad. Oh, I kind of took up too much space. So let's see, I'm just gonna kind of take out this bottom so that I can write here, I feel down when the store is closed. Okay? So that's where I feel kind of sad, feel kind of down. But you tell me where you feel sad or down, okay? Or where you're excited, right? So go around, identify the different, or figure out what the different emotions are, and figure out where you feel those things, okay? And if you feel like you want to practice more, or you feel like the emotions that I put you already know all about and you want to think about other ones, fear not. There is a blank sheet where you can go on and you can put whatever emotion you want in these blank boxes, and then you can fill out those boxes again. Okay? Congrats. Keep going. You're one step closer to Empathy Champ. I'll see you in the next sheet.